Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Poem World. In today's special video, we are presenting a beautiful and powerful speech on World Environment Day. So watch this video till the end. Respected Principal Sir, honorable teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. My name is Aditi. I study in class 8. Today I am standing here to deliver a speech on World Environment Day. Friends, just close your eyes for a moment and imagine what would happen if one day we could not get fresh air to breathe, clean water to drink, or green trees around us. Life on Earth would become impossible. That is why every year on 5th June, World Environment Day is celebrated all over the world. This day was started by the United Nations in 1972 to spread awareness about protecting nature and the environment. Environment means everything around us: air, water, trees, animals, rivers, soil, and all living things. Nature gives us life, food, water, and oxygen. Without a healthy environment, human life cannot survive. But sadly, today humans are harming nature for their own comfort, cutting trees, pollution from vehicles and factories, excessive use of plastic and wasting natural resources are making our earth sick. Have you noticed that summers are becoming hotter every year? Rainfall patterns are changing. Many places are facing water shortage. These are warning signs that our environment is in danger. If we do not act now, future generations may not even get clean air and water. But friends, there is still hope. We can save our environment by taking small steps. We should plant more trees, save water and electricity, avoid plastic, keep our surroundings clean, and spread awareness among others. Always remember, nature is not just our need, it is our life. World Environment Day is not only a celebration but also a reminder that protecting nature is our responsibility. Today, let's all take a place to protect our environment and make our earth green, clean, and safe. I would like to end my speech with a beautiful line: save trees, save earth, save the future before it's too late. Thank you. So, friends, we hope you liked this speech on World Environment Day. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Royal Poem World. Thank you.